to find a good way to edit it.
What's up guys, it's K3 Printing Technology. For this video I'm going to be showing you how to design threads, specifically in Fusion360. This was a feature that would have been more helpful for my last design software 123D design, but that didn't have it, so found out Fusion360 had it, so I want to test this out. So this will mostly be a screen recording video tutorial type. So anyways, let's open up Fusion360. So here we are in Fusion360. We got a blank canvas design to start with. So we're going to click create shape and do a simple cylinder or circle to start with. Then we'll add another circle in between it to extrude the part out, and we'll add a thread to it. So this design is going to be similar to a soda bottle cap shape. So now we have the first circle finished. We'll hit finish sketch, so we can give this one some dimensions, and then we'll add the second circle to the bottom of the solid piece. Now we can add the thread to this piece. On my first attempt, I did not click create model, but this one I'm going to be able to actually print the threads on this one. If you don't click it, it won't print. And this is essentially it for this model. Here is the finished print. So I printed this twice. The first attempt I forgot to click model in Fusion360 on the threads, and it didn't model them, so I came out with no threads. But this turned out pretty good. It's not the best quality print, but it gets the idea across of how to print threads in Fusion360. So that's gonna wrap up the video for today. If you like this video and want to see these videos first, make sure to click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.